Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing a video dedicated to this Charlotte Tilbury palette. It's the Instant Look of Love palette in the Pretty Blushed Beauty. It's the lighter of the two, and she's brought this back before. That's why I'm doing a video about it, because she may bring it back. And if she brings back, say, other ones with just different colors, it's basically the same idea, same concept. So I wanted to show you how, like, the look I come up with these beautiful, everyday neutral colors. So if you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and enjoy. For primer, I am going to start with this Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I still have a bit left in the tube, and I really like how it feels. It's just like a lotion, a lightweight lotion on the face. It's pretty comparable to the Ilia face base milk or whatever it's called, just that one's in liquid form and this one's a little bit more solid, a little bit more creamy. For the complexion, I'm going to use this Bareminerals Complexion Rescue in 1.5 Birch. Again, I just kind of squeeze out some on the finger and apply it like I do lotion and just blend it in. Sometimes I use my hands, sometimes I use a brush. It just depends on how I'm feeling that day. For concealer, I'm still finishing up this Ere Perez concealer. I like to use a dry brush and just tap it under the eyes, and it really comes off as a very lightweight and just covers. I just finished applying the Ere Perez concealer all over the face, and now I will just do my eyebrows. This is the Wet n Wild retractable pencil in the color Ash Brown. It's a really nice color. It's like a soft, cool brown. So it really looks more like a shadow, or even the hairs, I suppose. It really fits. It's not too warm because I don't like warm brow products. And for the face, I wanted to use this Charlotte Tilbury face palette. I don't know if she will bring it back, but she's brought it back before, so I just wanted to use this complete face palette for when she does bring it back, because it is my absolute favorite, and when I want to default to something that I know that works and is so pretty, I reach for this all the time. I travel with it. It's really one of my favorite things. That I love the eyeshadow colors. They're absolutely perfect. The bronzer is a good color. This blush is really pretty, and the highlight is so soft and fine. They're just really beautiful. It's a really beautiful product. I hope she comes out with more of these, like also just kind of different colors. Not like crazy colors, like neutrals like this, everyday colors. This is sort of like a wedding style that I really love. So I wanted to start with the bronzer. I'm going to use this kind of brush just so I can fit it in here. Just that bronzer alone is so pretty. I don't know what it is about her product, but it really flatters the face and brings out the best. For the blush, I'm going to use this fluffy brush. I'll use the same brush for the highlighter. So pretty, really like that. I'll do my lips first, and I wanted to use one of the Ravie Beauty lipsticks. This is in the color Peony. I feel like it'll go with the blush color that's in this palette. I wanted to see if Buff by Mcgrath, this lip liner. If this color will work with Peony. Yeah, I think it works really well. Also, what I have loved using, how I've loved using this particular color Peony is if you use a lip liner that is more of a contour shade, then this color kind of pops a little bit more. So I love Love Trap. That's one of my favorite lip liners. And Pillow Talk Medium is also one of my favorites. And that way it has a bit of that pinky brown contour, and then this really just stands out. I will move on to the eyeshadow now. I'm going to use this middle color here. Just this middle brown color is such a good one and done. I'm going to use that same brown on the lower lash line. I'm also going to use the darker of the browns and just bring it into the crease to create a little bit of depth. I just tap it in. Now you can use a fluffy brush. And then I'm going to bring that same brown on the lower lash line. And for this shimmery shade, just tap it here in the center and to the corner, like that. So pretty. Then I'll bring some up. I'm going to use the Sephora Collection 24-hour eyeliner. This is in the color Tiramisu, and I've mentioned this before. It's such a nice and creamy eyeliner. There's the eyeliner all finished, and I'm just going to add the mascara to wrap up this look. The mascara is all finished. I'm just going to finish it off with this D'Alba face spray just to add a little bit of hydration back. Just a little bit. And that has a really nice spray and feel to it. And that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this face palette. I really, again, absolutely love it. I don't buy every face palette out there. I buy the ones that I feel like are going to be useful in everyday life. And something like this is so nice. You have the setting powder, which I didn't use because on days that I feel like I already have enough dryness and the concealer just sets itself, then I don't use powder because it's already set and it's not gonna budge. So I don't add extra product on my face just because it's a setting powder. Other times I definitely use it. And then all the bronzer, the blush, the highlight, the eyeshadows, they're so nice. I enjoy using it every time. The mirror is really big and really perfect for travel. It stands up and you can really use it when you go out and about. You can see your entire face. So I hope you guys liked this little review try on. I know it's an older product, but I thought I'd share it in my own videos because others have filmed with it already. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.